So you're having problems verifying your YouTube account. Lucky for you, we've helped over 800 people start and grow their YouTube channel. And the first step in this process is getting their YouTube channel verified so they can get access to custom thumbnails and get more views and grow their YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a simple and easy way for me to help you overcome the challenges that you're facing or the issues that are in your way of verifying your YouTube account. Now, if you haven't watched our video on how to verify your YouTube account, then you need to watch that first. Otherwise, none of this video is going to make sense. So there are 5 simple, easy steps that we show you there to get your YouTube channel verified. But most of you watching this have probably watched that video already, and those 5 steps aren't working for you. Hang on to your seats. We have a solution for you, and we're definitely here to help you because we know how important it is to verify your YouTube account at the start of your journey. So what we're going to do is help you inside of our free YouTube community. It's the best way for you to share with us where you're getting stuck, and it's the best way for us to be able to help you in the verification process. Please be careful in this process. There are lots of spammers and scammers and guys doing weird things and offering to verify your YouTube account for you. You don't need any of this. You can get verified on your own, and it's not that hard. So please be aware of this. I don't want you guys to get scammed by all the weird, strange people out there. So we've got a link down below to our free YouTube community. It's called the YouTube Free Mastermind, and we have over 800 people in there, and we're helping them start and grow their YouTube channel. So it's a great place to be for you if you are focused on growing your YouTube channel. I'm going to share a post in there. It's called Problems Verifying Your YouTube Account Help Post. So you can search for it at the top once you've joined the community. It's inside the platform School. So if you're on School already, you'll know how to use it. But it's very much like using an old Facebook group. There's a search bar at the top. There are a whole lot of people, and you can create posts and comment on posts inside of the community. So it's a great place for me to help you with our problem at hand, verify. Let's get into this. So there are 5 steps that I've shown you in that previous video. If you haven't watched it, you need to watch it so you know which step you're getting stuck at. And then all you need to do is comment down below. I've created an example for you here, and let us know which of the steps you are getting stuck on and a little bit of detail around it, and then just screenshot where you're getting stuck. Please don't screenshot anything with your mobile number in it. We don't need to share that, and I don't want that out in the public domain because that's where all the funny scammers and the weird people do. So if you're screenshotting anything that has your mobile number on it, that's only one of the steps. But if you are, please blur that out. We don't want everyone to get access to that, and we don't need that to help you get verified. You need to do this on your own. We do need to know what step you are stuck at and what is happening so we can best help you. And that's all you need to do so that we can help you get verified. If this is not working for you or you can't get into the community, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to help you out. Looking forward to seeing you in the community and helping you get verified so that you can get access to those custom thumbnails and start getting more clicks and views on your videos. And let's get your YouTube channel growing. We'll see you in the community.